So here in this example I want to use the properties of limits. The part A, we have x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3 when x approaches c. So based on the properties we had, we can just divide it into three parts. We have x cubed plus 4x squared minus limit 3. So when x approaches c, this one will be c cubed, this one will be 4c squared, and this one will be negative 3. Part B, it says limit x to the power of 4 plus x squared minus 1 divided by x squared plus 5 when x approaches c. So we can write it like that, and we can separate them by the properties of limits and just substitute the number. So it will be c to the power of 4 plus c squared minus 1, and it will be divided by c squared plus 5. So as you see here, we just sub it into the variable. The variable is x, so x approaches c, so we just substitute by c values.